Hi guys, what's up? NBaya update. This week I've struggled with the AI. I've just wasted 2 hours or 3 hours trying to build MCP connection to Blender using Gemini. That was a total waste of time. I started at 4 a.m. It's now 8 a.m. It feels as if I haven't moved forward, but I feel as if I'm building the ground base, so I'm stamping on the same place, but actually I'm cementing the floor. That's the ground floor. I'm building from that point up, so I don't think it's a waste. I think it's part of the process. It's funny that I enjoy that slow code because with the AI you can run very fast, and I was trying that and then deciding that it's not for me. First of all, I'm not under any pressure. I mean, I can build this game in 3 years, not in 2 years. No one gives a damn. But the thing is, I also like that type of riding with the motorcycle. I'm not riding fast. I'm enjoying the view. I'm riding slow. I'm not afraid of sand. I'm not afraid of puddles. And I know that it's not a smooth road. I know that I'm not doing all these shortcuts that I can do at this stage. But I prefer doing it slower. I prefer falling and understanding why I've fallen, how to get up, how to continue. And I think that's the issue with AI. AI is taking the fun out of failing. You're just having the frustration. While when I'm in more control of the code, again, I'm working with AI and we're building the code together. But when we are building the code together, and not I'm saying prompts and he's building the world, when we are building the code together and I fail, or the combination of us failing, because many times it's his fault, recovering is still fun because I understand what's going on, I understand where the path is leading. Script. What? Where? Where are we? What? What the fuck? I don't believe it. It worked. And I think that in that sense, if I want to do a trip that's gonna take me 2 years, 3 years, who cares? It needs to be fun during the trip. It's not about creating a game that's successful and making tons of money out of it. It's about having fun during this process, during the 2 years of iteration, of back and forth, of things not working, of creating and saying, oh, that's not correct. Yeah, I can fix it with patches, but I want to fix it better this time. I like patches. Have you seen my motorcycle? It's all patches. It's holding up with duct tape, tear-ups, straps. That's my motorcycle. But I like fixing things. I like fixing things. I like attaching things. I like creating things that looks as if they are patched. And I think that with the code it's the same for me. The game is the same, and the development needs to be the same. I need to understand things, I need to know where to patch things, and that's the way I'm building NBaya. And currently it's fun, and I'm gonna fall, and like Alon, I'm gonna hate it, but then I'm gonna recover and say, oh, that was nice. Because when you're having fun, there are three types of fun. The one is when you're having fun while doing it. I'm saying a prompt, and the AI is writing that. Wow, look, I've created this. Or with motorcycle, I'm just zooming. What a great fun. We're doing it, even if you are going slow. Yeah, I can go slow, see the scenery. That's fun. The second type of fun is when in real time you don't have fun, but later on you're saying that was fun. So in motorcycle is when you fall and you need to pick up the motorcycle and it's heavy and you're fighting it, or you need to go through a long stretch of sand which your body aches and you're saying, I just want to get out of it. This is not fun. But later on, when you think about it, you say, that was fun, let's do it again. I think that's debugging. I think that debugging is this kind of fun. When you're actually doing it, why isn't it working? This computer is stupid. The AI is stupid. What am I doing here? It's never gonna take on. And you're crying. But later on, when you find the bug, you are saying, wow, this was fun, those 3 hours, the back and forth. And the third kind of fun is when it's not fun while doing it and not fun while you're thinking about it. And for me, I don't want my projects to go to that side. I don't want my projects to get to a point that they are just a burden. Now, sometimes you need to do that part, and then it's either you're saying, okay, it's my obligation, I'm honored to do that. Let's say if you're a soldier, or it's an obligation, someone needs to do it, I'm doing it now, that's it. And that's the way for me to cross the third kind of fun. Being stubborn and putting that on an emotional feeling of duty and respect. I think that many of us are working in those areas, like I need to provide for my family. I need to take care of my kids. It may be not fun at all, but I'm doing it. And I think that the main thing is trying to move to the right, trying to find the places where you can take the not fun and saying, that's fun. That's fun. Even if it's fun type 2, in retrospect. And the game that I'm developing, I'm trying to make it fun type 2. So not too much AI, I don't care about time, I don't care about if it's gonna take a shortcut. Fun type 2. A lot of debugging. And I'm gonna get through that. So if you have a project, guys, try to not think about the deadline as the thing that you are trying to reach, but rather, I think that it's true to many startups, entrepreneurs. The thing that you'll remember and have fun again and again remembering it is the type 2 fun. And the NBaya startup is type 2 fun. So, you guys, go and have type 2 fun, and see you next week.